Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today, you guys. And today, if you are just starting in digital products, you guys, this is going to be the video for you, because I am going to teach you how to go from zero, not knowing anything about digital products, not knowing what products to pick, not knowing how to do digital products, not having any followers, to going ahead and making hundreds of thousands of dollars literally with digital products. This is going to be the video for you, okay? And I'm telling you guys this from my own personal experience, you guys. I made over $177,000 last month with my course and with my digital products, you guys. It is so super simple and super easy to get into digital products, and we are going to do that right now, right here today, because y'all, I want you guys to live the life that you want to live. I want you to go to places that you want to go, and I want you to think of this as a turning point in your life. This is your transformation, and this is going to be your blessing, and Sam is going to help you get you there, okay? So you guys, in the description box below, I have the link to the course, which is the Rich Girls Don't Work course. That course goes from point A to point Z, and you guys, it includes your products, okay? When I tell you guys that I built you guys a business in a box, I 100% mean it, you guys. So it comes with your over 280 done for you digital products. It also comes, you guys, with your content. Your content is going to be key, okay? This is the same content that I use on my faceless channels, you guys. My faceless, my own personal channels. I made this content for you guys so that you can go ahead and go viral. So you can go ahead and you can turn your viewers into buyers. So not only in the course are you going to get the actual course that is going to teach you how to start from point A to point Z, but you're also going to get your over 280 done for you digital products. And your done for you digital products are products that you can literally start to sell from day one. The second thing you're going to get is you're going to get your 615 faceless Instagram, Reels, TikToks, all of that. Everything that I've implemented into my business, I gave it to you guys, okay? So you guys, go ahead, click the link below, go get the course and start today, okay? Start today. Let this be the first day of your brand new life. And for all of my people out there, because I know a lot of us are out of a job or we're transitioning into a new career, this is what you need to transition into, because it's super simple, super easy to get started, you guys, and the money is limitless, okay? So what I want you guys to do is believe in yourself, go take that course. And did I mention, you guys, your trainings are going to be absolutely free. With the purchase of the course, your trainings are 100% free, and we have trainings literally every Friday. From every Friday, you guys, from at least 7 o'clock till almost 8:30, okay? So that's almost an hour and 30 minutes of me just pumping you guys with everything that I know and giving it to you guys. So that is good. Your trainings are going to come absolutely free with the purchase of the course. So click the link below and go get that course, you guys. It has everything for you to start your online business in a box in as little as 1 day, you guys. And remember, you can do your digital products from anywhere in the world. It is life-changing. It is freeing for you. And I am here to help you get you there. Okay, you guys? So let's go right into the inspiration of the day. Inspiration of the day: God is going to bless me more in this new phase of my life than He will in the previous, okay? God is going to bless this new phase in life. You guys have to have the faith, and you have to believe that it is going to happen. Because when I tell you guys, I've always been a believer, but you guys, what God has in store for you is something beyond your imagination, okay? So you guys, go ahead, click the link below, get in the class. I'm going to teach you everything that I know, and pick up that course because it comes with all of your products. Everything is already created for you guys. The only thing that is missing is you. So let's go to Miss Marlene. So Miss Marlene, you guys, she went viral. Her very first video went viral, you guys. She used the 615 faceless videos that I gave you guys, and you guys, nobody even knows it is her. It is 100% faceless, you guys. She used the budget tracker that is included within the course, you guys, and she also used the faceless video, you guys. Her very first video went viral, you guys. She made over $3,500 in one day with that one budget tracker that is included within your course, and with one of the faceless videos that is included within your course also, you guys. When I tell you guys, those videos go viral every single time because they are 100% faceless, okay? So that all of that is going to be included in your course, you guys. We have Mr. Charles, okay? He did it a different way, you guys. So he used the budget tracker, and his budget tracker is specifically for other men who are trying to budget their households, you guys. And when I tell you guys, he made over $4,000 in his very first week, you guys. And I teach you guys how to create other videos that is going to make your content go viral. He said what you included in the course, Sam, was a game changer for me. So you guys, nobody knows it's him. It is another faceless video. When I tell you, these faceless videos go viral every single time I meet him. Also, you guys, we have Miss Faith. She resold the course. She did it a different way, you guys. She resold the course, you guys. She went on live, and I show you guys how to get on live if you have no followers, because live you have a requirement of over 1,000 followers, you guys. But I show you a trick in the course that is going to teach you how to go live without having the 1,000 followers, okay? Y'all, she went live, her very first live, you guys. She sold over $7,200 in the course. And my course does come with master resale rights, so you are able to sell it, you guys. You guys, this is real. Start your new life today. Transform your life today and allow God to do it, because when I tell you guys, He is going to bless you more in this next phase of life than you ever could imagine, okay? So you guys, like, share, subscribe. The link to that course will be below. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with being a beginner, okay? If this is your very first time even thinking about doing digital products, baby, I have the answer. So let's go. Like, share, and subscribe. And you guys, the course is going to be linked below. You guys, I do offer Pay in 4. I offer Affirm. I offer PayPal, and I also offer Klarna, you guys. So there is no reason why you shouldn't be getting on this right now. But let's go. Let's get into the video. All right, you guys. So if you are brand new to digital marketing, okay, the first thing that you want to do is you are going to want to pick a product, okay? You are going to want to pick a product that people find interesting or that they have a problem, okay? So everybody, and I'm telling you, these are the 3 topics on social media that everyone is talking about. They are talking about manifestation. They are talking about starting a new business, personal development, you guys, and the financial bundle, okay? And financial, okay? So you can pick one of these, you guys, but there are over 280 other products that you can pick from, okay? But I am going to suggest picking at least 2 of these products, okay? You're going to pick 2 of these products, and you are going to create a social media page surrounding it, okay? So For me, I picked the debt tracker and the budget tracker. The reason why I picked the debt and budget tracker, you guys, was because right now we're in an economy everybody has debt, okay? Everybody is trying to track their budget. Everybody is trying to see where they can tighten up their funds. So your product needs to go ahead and to solve that problem for them, okay? So what you're going to do is, after you have picked one that you like, and I'm telling you guys, this manifestation bundle, oh my God, it is super hot on social media, okay? Everybody is really concerned about their personal health and about manifesting the life that they want to live. So you can go ahead and you can pick from here. You can pick the business, you can pick the personal development, and the financial. Once you have figured out which one you want to do, and we're going to go to the budget tracker, you guys. Come on. So we're at the budget tracker. So this budget tracker, you guys, all you have to do is literally go ahead and take this and put this into your Stan store, okay? You're going to put this into your Stan store, and then you are going to advertise this on social media, okay? You are going to make people want to buy this, and I show you how to do it in the course. In the course, you guys, I show you how to make just videos that will go viral, that will get them to want to purchase this, okay? And in the trainings, I also do full trainings for you guys to show you guys how to actually do this, all right? So once you have identified the product, all you have to do is rebrand it. And I show you guys how to rebrand it in some of my previous videos and in the training, you guys. So you're going to click share, and then you guys, you are going to click template link, put this in that Stan store, and get to selling. But I know you're like, Sam, now that we got the product, how do we market it? And I'm going to show you the easiest way for you guys to go ahead and market it. So this is how you're going to market that budget tracker, okay? So you are going to go to the 615 aesthetic faceless videos that I have created for you guys. These are the same videos that I use in my channel, you guys, and they are included with the price of your course. You're going to click there, okay? And then boom, it's going to pop up all of the videos that I have already pre-recorded for you, okay? So I pre-recorded for you over 615. That is how many videos my faceless channel. So this is if you wanted to do it 100% faceless, you guys. Just like Miss Marlene, she did it faceless. Her first video went viral without having to show her face, and nobody knows it's her. That is crazy. On my channel, nobody knows that it is me, you guys, and I love that. So that people don't come up to me in public and, hey, I saw your videos. No, you didn't, because you don't know it's me. All right, so these are the videos, you guys. These are very simple videos, but they are very powerful videos because it actually locks the viewer in, gets their attention, you guys. And once you put your content, your words over there, you guys, that is going to turn your viewers into buyers, okay? And you can use a combination of each and every one of these, okay? That is how simple and that is how easy it is for you to go ahead and market your products on social media. Because like I told you guys, what I want your content to do and what your content is going to do, you guys, is literally be able to turn the attention and attract your buyers. That's why I have given this to you guys in the course, because it's really simple and really easy to do. Listen, it does not take a lot of work to start and set up your business. You can literally start this and within 20 to 30 minutes today and see your first sale today, you guys. It is super simple and super easy. So you guys, get into the training, go pick up the course, get into my training, you guys, and I am going to show you even more ways how you can sell these, how you can market them, and how you can start making sales on your very first day. So like, share, and subscribe, and I am going to come out with so many more videos for you guys because there are so many things that you can do with those 280 digital products and with the content that I give you guys. I'm literally transforming transforming your life and setting you up for success, come to the course, come to the class, you guys, because the only thing that is stopping you is you. Like, share, and subscribe, and please know that God is going to bless you on this end of your journey. I am here to help you do exactly that. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!